Welcome to today's episode of a consulting project, case 3 with group 5. I'm Eli Mambo.
I'm Madeline Huber.
Nice to have you, Madeline. So we start by presenting our company. And our company, it's called Drinan Cycles. And we specialize in the sale of old and new motorcycles. We have already amended and corrected our initial spreadsheet, and we managed to get a WACC and internal rate of return with values that are very close to each other. And we also established what our goodwill was. So today we will be working on the real options. With our real options, what we've done, we've brought in all our free cash flow for our present forecast, as you can see on the screen. Can you see it, Madeline?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And on year 1, we got our initial investment price, which was 2 million. And based from these figures from the various years, we were able to calculate our NPV for the free cash flow, which is a minus 6,769. And of course, in order to do that, we use our risk-free T-bill rate and our levered beta, which you got from our previous presentation. Now, we have the option to buy the company in 2 years with an exercise price of the current purchase price. And our cash flow, when it's exercised, gave us an NPV of 1,900,000. And all this information led us to calculate to compute our option price by using Black-Scholes computations as provided. So we got our current price, which was 1,900,000, and our exercise price. And we also use the time, which was allocated to us. The time we're working on is 2 years. And our standard deviation is 25%. Our risk-free, 1.43. And from that, we're able to calculate our option price, which came to 317,000. And of course, with this information, we're able to sum up the certainty and option price together to calculate our total NPV, which is a positive of 310,461. So this is all we got for the Black-Scholes model. And I hope you'll be able to help us with your input and see where we can amend our spreadsheet. And thank you very much. And part 2 of presentation will be done by Madeline.
Me.
Madeline, are you ready?
I think. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay, so for real option 2, we have our net present value, which is 132,359, and our probability is 51%. That's for.
Okay.
Can you scroll up? No. I'm pretty sure that's the one for success.
Yes, that's successes. Okay.
I just couldn't see the top.
Okay, so second, please. Okay, yes.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So you see where we purchased land, what we sold it for. So we see with the total of success, it's a positive, and there's a 51% chance of that, which is good to the investors. And then when we do success failure, we have a negative 133,870 and 93 cents, which is not good. And that's a 34% chance of that. And then with failure, that the net present value is a negative also, and it is 2,084,504, and there's a 15% chance of that. So the total expected net present value will be a negative 290,688,035 cents. So when you scroll down to the tree, there we go. So here's our tree. And so we're going to talk about the good when we're expanding. There's an 85% chance that, and then within the next year, it's a 60% chance. And so with first year, there's a 15% chance of failure. I just got that by doing 100 minus 85 and got that 15%. And then with the other expansion, there's a 60% chance to that, and then there's 40% chance of failure. So then we added up all of those percentages, and we got 100%, which is what we wanted.
Correct.
And that is the rest. That is all of Real Options 2.
Okay. Madeline, thank you very much for your contribution, and we appreciate everyone who has watched. We look forward to your input, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.